If you want to use a memory card on Samsung Galaxy A17, you can use the SIM tray because we actually have a memory card slot on Samsung Galaxy A17. On the left side we have the SIM tray with this SIM tray hole. We need to insert the eject tool into this hole and then use a little bit of force in order to push it in, and that makes the SIM tray pop out. So now with our fingernails or fingers, we can just remove the SIM tray from the phone. There we go. And we can insert our memory card over here. So it looks more or less like this. There we go. Make sure that your memory card is fully in, that it doesn't stick out from any side, because otherwise you might have troubles with inserting the SIM tray back into the phone, which is something that we're gonna do right now. So let's put it back in and just slide it in. And there we go. Make sure that it is actually fully inserted, that it doesn't stick out or anything. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.